Hey Travel Chat fam, and welcome back. If you love cruising as much as I do, you may want to buckle your seatbelt, or should I say, tighten your life vest, because Carnival Cruise Line just dropped some news that's got the cruise community rocking harder than a carnival conquest in a storm. Carnival Cruise Line just made some changes to their loyalty program, and let's just say the seas are not calm. They're replacing the VIFP club, you know, the very important fun person club, with something new called Carnival Rewards. And whew, this isn't just a name change. This is a full-blown shakeup. So grab a drink from the Lido deck and let's break it down. Under the old program, you earned status based on cruise days. The more you cruise, the higher you climbed. Simple. But with the new Carnival Rewards, it's no longer about how much you cruise, it's about how much you spend. You'll earn 3 points for every dollar spent on board or in pre-cruise purchases. That's it. So technically, someone doing one sweet cruise with daily spa visits and $1,000 in cocktails could outrank the person who's been selling inside cabins since 2004. Another big change, lifetime status, it's gone. Under the old VIFP club, once you hit platinum or diamond, you were set for life. Under Carnival Rewards, you'll have to requalify every 2 years, based entirely on how much you spend. For diamond, that's an estimated $33,334 every 2 years. I mean, I could buy a car. And y'all longtime Carnival fans are not loving this. The backlash is louder than the cruise director at a sail-away party. The general vibe, I've been loyal for years. And now you're telling me I gotta spend like a Kardashian just to keep my status? But Carnival says there's a reason for all of this. According to Carnival, there are now so many people at platinum and diamond levels, they're struggling to deliver on the actual perks those statuses promise. Carnival President Christine Duffy said, and I quote, "When so many guests have the elite status, it is much more difficult to make everyone feel special. These realities only continue to erode the recognition and rewards of the current VIFP club program. And we feel that change is necessary in order to better recognize our guests and give them more choice in how they are rewarded." Translation? So the solution is fewer elites. I even heard from a diamond member that stated that there are so many diamond holders that even the diamond events that they hold on the ship, it's crowded. Think about it. They have the diamond kids there. The parents are there. Like, everybody is diamond now. So let's take a look at the pros and cons, shall we? The pros. Big spenders can rise faster. Carnival hopes it'll make the perks actually feel exclusive again. And you get points for every dollar even before the cruise. The cons? Goodbye, lifetime status. Budget cruisers are left behind. The bar for diamond is so high, you'll have to cruise like a casino whale to reach it. I'm just being honest. Now, here's the silver lining. If you're not loving the new program, there are other cruise lines ready to roll out the red carpet. Both MSC and Virgin Voyages offer status match programs. That means if you're VIFP Gold, Platinum, or Diamond, they'll match your status, sometimes giving you on-board perks right out the gate. MSC even offers a free drink package or priority boarding depending on the level. So yes, Carnival may be the fun ship, but these other cruise lines are basically whispering, we got drinks and loyalty perks. Now, to be fair, Carnival says this new program isn't final. Brand ambassador John Held has been fielding thousands of comments on Facebook and said they're listening to guest feedback and might make some adjustments. Might. So this story isn't over yet. On the travel chat drama meter, I give this update a strong 9 out of 10 buffet lines at 2 p.m. The vibes are tense, people, but not hopeless. Carnival might still tweak things, especially if the community keeps that feedback coming. Now, here's my take. Loyalty should be about your connection to the brand, not your ability to drop $5,000 on excursions and martinis. Carnival is trying to evolve, sure, but they can't forget the heart of their fan base. If you're feeling some type of way, let Carnival know. Be vocal, be respectful, be real. Screenshot your current status just in case. And hey, explore your options. Loyalty might start at sea, but it doesn't have to stay with one ship. That's it for today's travel chat. If you like this breakdown, give it a big thumbs up. Drop your thoughts in the comments because I know y'all got some. And hit that subscribe button for more cruise news, travel tips, and unfiltered opinions from yours truly. Till next time, keep traveling, keep chatting. Thanks for watching Travel Chat.